Hello everybody, my name is Yenika and welcome to another video. I have in my hands my Birchbox for the month of August, and I would like for you to help me open it today. While I open this, I would like to tell you guys that Birchbox is a monthly subscription beauty box in which for $10 a month you receive 5 to 6 sample size products. And this box is getting okay. Here she is. I have to say, every month I absolutely love the designs of every box. I love the color schemes. I love the aesthetic. I love the designs. I try to use them. I try to keep them and reuse them just because I really like them. And purple is my favorite color, and this is very nice. So let's open it up and see what's in there. This month, it's dedicated to summer. Dedicated to summer. Usually it comes with a paper with all the information from every product, and usually what they give you is the size of the full size, the price of the full size. So there's a message here. It says, save the date. Customer Appreciation Day on September 13th. We wouldn't be Birchbox without you. That's why we're celebrating our customers, aka you, with a special day filled with exclusive discounts, offers, and freebies, plus tons of surprises. If you have a subscription, I assume they're going to send an email maybe, or maybe we have to remember to check the website and see if they have anything good and see if they actually appreciate us. First, I see the Orbe Dry Texturizing Spray. And the full size is $46. That's quite expensive. It's a part dry shampoo, part texturizer. This multitasker soaks up oil and gives hair, body, and bounce. I don't know if maybe I had it in my Sephora play bag, but I know I have something very similar to this before. It was a different color. It was a different design. That one was maybe only dry shampoo, but I don't see much difference in between each product. So I don't know if I'm very excited about this particular product. Then I see a box. It says Avene Cleanance Expert. I'm gonna open it, and Avene Cleanance Expert. This lightweight treatment simultaneously moisturizes and mattifies, all while reducing redness and preventing future breakouts. The full size price is $26. I do get some breakouts sometimes, mostly because of hormonal acne. It smells really nice, and it feels very light. It's not like a super thick feeling. So I would definitely try. I usually get hormonal acne right here in my neck area. And it's a little bit hard to get rid of it every time it comes. It's almost like I just have to let it go away by itself. I don't usually do anything about it because I don't want to. I've tried other things and have made it worse. So I will try this. Hopefully I won't need it soon because I hate when I get the hormonal acne. But I'll try it. Next, I see a really cute liquid lipstick from Stila. Yes, it's the Stay All Day liquid lipstick in the shade Portofino. The full size price of this product is $22. I am not a huge fan of pink, and this is quite pink. I don't know if I would use it. I might just give it away, give it to a friend that might appreciate it more, because pink lipstick is just not my favorite at all. But I do like Stila. I do like the brand. Then I see another container, and it's a wool. There's some French words here, but I don't speak French. So I think it's, okay. So it's number 4, Super Comb Prep and Protect. Shield your strands from heat damage and UV rays with this leave-in conditioning mist made with natural hydrators like blackcurrant and soy yogurt, spritz on hair, then comb. So this seems like it's a detangler maybe, and a conditioner. I want to smell it. I always want to smell everything. The consistency is very liquidy, so it seems that it will be no problem in spreading it out, because I had other products that they come in this form, in a spray form, but when I look at the consistency, it's like a very creamy consistency, and it's a little bit harder to get out. It seems that there will be no problem, so we'll try it out. And the last thing we have, I'm a little bit excited about this one because I see a sheet mask from Acure. As I'm speaking, I have 2 little dogs wrestling between my legs. So Acure Organics is a radically rejuvenating sheet mask, and it's full size. It's $4.99, which I assume that this is the full size, because I can't imagine having like a half a sheet mask or a small sheet mask, unless maybe the full size comes with more than one, because there's just one sheet mask here. So it says it's got argan oil, vitamin C, and hyaluronic acid. I don't know how to say that word. This mask is the ultimate hydrating and brightening boost. Leave it for 15 minutes, then massage any excess serum into skin. I love sheet masks. I might even try it today after I take all this makeup off. I'm excited about this. Okay, so this is all I got in my August Birchbox. And I would say that I'm mostly looking forward to try this product. I will definitely use it. I'm not sure. This will go to a friend that will enjoy it. I will try this one too, but I'm not particularly super stoked about it. And this too, I will probably try them eventually. I don't do much with my hair, to be honest. I always just put it in a bun. But it's always nice to have these products around when you need them. Thank you so much for watching this video, and see you around next time. Bye.